Check it out, guys. Some new stuff from Bowhouse RC. Now the video. Hey guys, Tank here. Welcome to my scale garage. I got something new to show you today. And it's for the TF2. Let's get the body off and get going. So now that the body's off, I can show you. Bowhouse RC has actually came out with some rear leaf hangers for the TF2. Before they used to have some that were 3D printed, but now they actually have some that are aluminum. So look for them real soon on the store, in their store. And this is to stop it from binding. Usually when you really push that down in compression, this would stay straight back. So now it actually doesn't do that. So good upgrade, and now it's in aluminum.